People, I think, don't know that because of my last name, but I am Maharashtrian and I speak Marathi, fluent Marathi. Got an opportunity to work with Ritesh and Genelia. No, I have worked really hard. Took me 10 years to be here where I am today. I would not tell people that I'm an actor. Whoever asked me, I would just say I'm a student. Most of the people have told me that whoever has watched the film, they've told me they've loved my performance, and that means the world to me. I knew that this movie will receive a lot of love, but this much love, I am overwhelmed right now, and this couldn't have been the best start to the new year.
So hi, and joining us today we have Nisha from Ved. That's Jia Shankar. Hi.
Yes, hi.
And congratulations for the success of the film.
Thank you so much.
How have you been celebrating?
I was actually going to multiple theaters in different locations. I went to Pune. Last show, it was full. It was house full, and I met everybody, wished them New Year's, and yeah, that's how I celebrated Ved.
And having done Tamil and Telugu cinema, so how did Marathi happen? That was quite a surprise.
I am Maharashtrian. People, I think, don't know that because of my last name, but I am Maharashtrian and I speak Marathi, fluent Marathi.
Okay.
And I always wanted to be a part of Marathi film industry. I wanted to do a film in Marathi. And I got this opportunity. I took it.
And also, since Ritesh and Genelia are such a loved couple, so how did you react when you found out you would be right in between the love story?
I am not at all in between them. Nobody's in between nobody. There are two different love stories. People have watched it yet. If not, then please go watch it. So there is a time span, and you'll know what it is when you watch the film. So that's not a love triangle.
Since they are considered like a favorite, even off screen and on screen. So that's what I meant.
No, they are even my favorite. They're my favorite couple too. They are adorable, and working with the both of them, it was an amazing experience, I would say. And yeah, Ritesh and Genelia both are just sweethearts. Especially Genelia, she is adorable. The way she is on screen, she is just like that off screen, and we bonded really well.
And you've done a lot of youth shows as well, a lot of youth TV shows. So do you feel that connect also kind of helps, because this generation, the audience is familiar with your work?
Yeah.
So is that something that you see as a plus also?
Of course, experience counts. So it's been 10 years for me in this industry. It's not like, oh, how lucky she got an opportunity to work with Ritesh and Genelia. No, I have worked really hard. It's been 10 years. It took me 10 years to be here where I am today. So it wasn't an easy journey for me ever. Nothing came easy to me. And experience is all experience, and that is the reason why I'm here today.
And how did you realize this is the profession for you? Like, were there any second thoughts, or were you always sure that no, this is where I have to be?
No, it actually, acting grew on me. I was just doing it because my mom asked me to give it a shot, and I was like, fine, yeah. I mean, I was a super shy kid, and so it took me years to just prepare myself and to even accept that I am an actor. I would not tell people that I'm an actor. Whoever asked me, I would just say I'm a student.
Okay.
But it was years later when I gained the confidence and I knew that I am a good performer. That's when I started to tell people that I am an actor.
Yeah. Okay. And the really cool thing is there's not regional cinema anymore, it's Indian cinema, and I think that's a great time to happen to the industry. Yes. So you have people from different regions watching Ved.
Yeah.
So what have been the reactions of people who are not Marathi also? I'm sure that a lot of people have spoken to you about it.
They have, and the response has been amazing. People have been telling me like they can't speak Marathi, but they've watched Ved with subtitles, and they've loved it. They've loved me. They've loved my performance. Like most of the people have told me that whoever has watched the film, they've told me they've loved my performance, and that means the world to me because I know I'm pretty.
Yes, that's true. And showing off your acting chops, like you said, it's something you had to work on.
Yeah.
So how did you, behind the scenes, people don't see the kind of effort that goes before you come on screen.
Yeah.
So how did you work on yourself and, make yourself what you wanted to be?
I started when I was 16. And I just used to go to auditions, and I did not have the guts to stand in front of the camera until one day I decided enough. Now I've watched enough people audition in front of me. So now it's time that I go right there, hold the slate in my hand and say, hi, I'm Jia Shankar. I age whatever, and that's my contact number. These are my profiles. So it took me quite some time to stand there in front of the camera, and that's when it all started. And there was no stopping after that.
And especially in the South, where you had to learn a new language. So how comfortable was that? Or are you that person who loves to take up challenges?
It was not at all comfortable. Now I'm ready for it. Now if I have to go work in South, I'm totally up for it. But back then, it was just my start. And probably I feel I shouldn't have started with South. I should have started here itself. But it's okay, like it was a learning experience. I started with films, so that was the biggest challenge that I took. Anyway, I'm proud of myself. Like I was only 16, 18 when I started off, and my journey has been incredible. It was slow, but it was steady.
Yeah.
And now I think now is the time that it has all started for me. Yeah.
And now, especially the South has completely taken over, like blockbuster after blockbuster. It's everywhere. So.
Yeah, let's say now Wade will take over.
Yeah, for sure. Why not? And do you plan to, get into Hindi films as well? Do we see you, acting there?
An actor never chooses where he wants to perform. Every stage is a stage for an actor.
Yeah.
No matter if it's Hindi, Marathi, Telugu, Tamil, no matter what it is, work is work for us, and every opportunity is big. I believe in that, and so there's no medium that I want to work in. I want to work everywhere.
Yeah.
I want to do Hollywood as well. Hello.
Yeah, why not? Yeah, that's lovely.
Yeah, so whatever comes up, I'm waiting for all these amazing opportunities to happen. That's it. That's all I'm waiting for now. Because I know my potential. People who have seen me work know my potential. And let's see now. Universe, hello? Are you listening?
Yeah, and it's the new year, so it's a good time to manifest also.
I always manifest. Yeah, I'm always I'm always full of gratitude towards everything, every little thing. Even to be here today for this interview, I'm very, very grateful.
And any message for fans who have been, watching Wade and are going back to watch it again?
Yes, I have seen all the stories where people are posting videos where they're telling me that they've gone for the third time or the fourth time. That is amazing. And I knew that this movie will receive a lot of love, but this much love. I am overwhelmed right now, and this couldn't have been the best start to the new year.
And now that we know you are fluent in Marathi, let's have a fun segment where you translate some popular Hindi dialogues into Marathi for fans who are not fluent in the language.
No. Okay, so, let's try. I'm not that fluent in Marathi.
The first one is Pushpa, I hate tears.
Pushpa, मला आश्रू अजिबात आवडत नाही.
मोगॅम्बो खुश हुआ.
मोगॅम्बो खुश झाला.
मेरे करण अर्जुन आएंगे.
माझे करण अर्जुन येणार रे.
How's the जोश?
जोश कसा आहे? हाय सर.
And I think you'd like this one. मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ.
मी माझी फेवरेट आहे.
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
पिक्चर अजून बाकी आहे माझ्या मित्रांनो.
All is well.
सगळं ठीक आहे.
Thank you for doing this.
Thank you for giving me your time.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.